Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the January Morphe Me unboxing, unbagging. Yeah, the theme for this month is New Year, New Me. And there were 3 brushes and I've used them all, so they're not as clean and pristine as they once were. But I'll go through each one, read to you the description, and talk to you about how I felt about the way that they worked for me. So let's start off with the pointed powder. So let's start off with the pointed powder G5, and that is this brush. Pointed powder, very soft. You know, basically, I think this is from their gunmetal collection. I think that's what the G stands for. But it says, set your base with this silky pointed powder brush. Its tapered point allows for perfect powder application. You can also apply your blush and bronzer with these plush bristles, giving you a fresh-faced look all throughout 2018. I'm going to insert some clips. They're not great. It was real early in the morning, and I was using my Simple Human mirror, which was lighting my face up, but you can still see how I'm using it. I think I tried to set my under eye with it. It was too big. And so I ended up using it for blush, and it was good for that. And I think it would be good for maybe contour or bronzer. I filmed another video of this look right before this, and I think my brain's done, but I wanted to get this out for you. So that's brush number 1, very nice. Next is the Deluxe Foundation brush, the G39, which is this one. And I was kind of confused that they were calling this a foundation brush because maybe some people do like duo fiber, real light foundation application, but for me, I like a real dense foundation brush, and usually a flat top, or at least a rounded contour type brush. Anyways, it says to get that flawless look for your New Year's Eve party, start with this Deluxe Foundation brush. Its duo fiber bristles will give you an airbrush finish that will look as smooth as the year ahead. And maybe I should try it instead of knocking it for its foundation application potential. But I used it for highlighter, I believe. I'm just going to insert the clips because it was like 3 days ago. I might have used it under my eye too, but you'll be able to see in the clips what I used that for. nice brush, but I think for me, a highlighter brush. And then the last one is the flat contour brush. And I have so many of these, you guys. I probably shouldn't have used it, but I wanted you to see it in action. This is a G42. It says, effortlessly define your features with this thin flat top contour brush and look like a brand new you. These soft jet firm bristles will help you stay snatched all year with precise control. I used it to stamp right here, stamp powder right here, to just kind of make the outline of my eyeshadow and, you know, catch any fallout. And it worked really good for that. Some people maybe could use it to contour their nose. I'm not a great nose contourer. I haven't really experimented much with it because I don't know. I don't really know where to put the line. I just kind of do it around here, and I think maybe it needs to be here. But as I said, I'm not a good nose contourer, so maybe that needs to be one of my New Year's resolutions, to learn how to contour my own nose. If you're not familiar with Morphe Me, it is a subscription service. For $20, they send you at least $30 worth of brushes each month. Usually there's some kind of theme like this month, every month, New Year, New Me. On the back of the pamphlet this time, it says save 10% on everything at Morphe brushes. There's the code. And it says that you can tag your pictures for a chance to win free brushes. So that might be an option. I also saw a little section here. It says New Year 2018 new features. It says as a New Year's gift to yourself, be sure to head to your dashboard at liveglam.com to rate these brushes and pick up some reward points. Not only do we get to learn about what products you like, but you can also get even more glamazing goodies to use with your new set. We're also very excited to cross off one of our New Year's goals. The individual trade feature is now available. If you don't want to trade your entire set, you can now trade individual brushes to really customize your kit and get the brushes you really want all year round. A toast to great brushes and a Happy New Year, Morphe Me. I don't know about that trade thing. I'm gonna have to go check it out. Maybe if you don't want the brushes that you have, you can trade them for other brushes. That would be awesome. Because you guys know I don't get very jazzed about face brushes because I have so many already. And so maybe I could trade some that maybe I should check into that. I will check into that. If you're interested in subscribing to Morphe Me, I believe I get some points, reward points, if you use my my link. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a referral link. So I'll put that down below along with the direct Morphe Me link. Whatever you'd like to choose, it would be great. I've never really gotten anything from the rewards from there, so I need to go do some investigation, obviously, so I'll do that before the next time I do an unbagging. But these are the brushes, all quality brushes, and I will get use out of them, but I will find out about that trade thing. That sounds pretty cool, actually. Yeah, I don't know if it's trading with other people or just trading in the one that you got for another brush from Morphe. Either way, I'll find out for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, short and sweet. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comment section. Did you get this bag? Do you like these brushes? What do you think of them? And if you have another use for them that I didn't mention, maybe you can let us know in the comment section. But yeah, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Are you gonna go off? Come on now. Really? Come on. Dude!